Thanks for joining in to our weekly Workforce Monday seminar. And in this webinar or seminar, whatever you can say, that we are today talking about a talent acquisition and workforce entry AI agent scenario catalog. So, lot in the previous sessions. So, one of the previous sessions, we talked about the different types of AI agents we can think of. That is something we have discussed. Okay, we will continue with that today, and we will discuss what are the other possible scenarios and how do you create these agents also. Not only specific for HR point of view, but in general, I'm talking about, so which we'll be talking about today, right? So let's talk about those details. And in our details, I will cover up those things. And in general, these are all general topics, okay? Whether it is a success factor or it is the Oracle or Workday, or in general, if you're talking about, this will cover everything, right? So overall picture we will be looking at, and that is what exactly we will talk about different hiring AI agent point of view, right? And many of the AI agents already SAP is offering that. And just we like to understand what exactly, how we can design this. We will talk about that today. So we'll pick up one scenario from a talent acquisition and workforce entry. That's a kind of an onboarding point of view. We will see what are the possible AI agents we can create and what are the possible scenarios. So there are multiple domains you can see: talent demand, employer branding, sourcing. We have application intake. Then we have a screening and interviewing, and then selection and offer letter, and workforce entry, recruiting operations, recruiting analytics. Okay, these are the possible scenarios we can have, and based on that, we will be start creating these AI agents. Right. So out of this, what exactly we will try to do today is a few of those things we will do prioritizing, and based on that, we will be creating these agents. Okay. So with that note, let me then get started. So let me get started and we will go further. So in this, we will be leveraging today the Claude, okay, and to create some of these agents, and we will see how does it actually work. And based on that, we will take it forward. Okay. So now let's then get started, and I will be sharing those details here, and we will go further accordingly. Okay. So let's then get started with the hiring demand insight. So what does the agent will do? So it will identify emerging hiring demand from the workforce plans, attrition, capacity gaps after projects and vacancy trends. And based on that, we can use Claude or we can use the chat GPTs also. Okay. So let's say I will try to use both. Okay. So let's see how does it work. Okay. So let me share this link with ChatGPT, and as well as we will be going to the Claude. So I will go to the Claude first. So let's say I will go to Claude now and go to the ChatGPTs as well. So I will say that I will go to my project. This is my HR transformation project. I will say that I'm having a series of AI agents to be created. And so let's start with the recruiting process, the talent acquisition, workforce entry, and AI agent scenario catalog, and share the first agent to be created using Claude. Then we will go for the others. So this is a scenario I'm having. So let me try the same thing with chat GPTs as well. So I will, for this, I will go for HR transformation. HR transformation do not have directly. I will go for in general. Okay. I will be creating here GPTs. Okay. They have an option, or I can create my own also. Right. So yeah. So I will be defining your GPT creator. Right. So follow this. Then I will, let's see how it is doing. So the list of AI agents, I will be giving this. This is the list of AI agents. This is a big list, but we will start with the first one first. Hiring demand insight agents. We will start one by one, and we will go here as well. So let's see, based on the thing, both the things, I will try to see that. So ChatGPT as well as, so it is, I'll use that certificate. We need to codex and index coding agent that helps you build it's okay. Does the name, a good study name would be hiring demand insight agent. What is the name of the agent? Hiring demand insights. Okay. Does that name work, or do you prefer something like headcount planning? No, I do not want it. So I want this one only. Go with, this is the name of the agent. So what does it say? It will I would generate the initial profile picture with simple professional icon that combines purpose planning and demand forecasting. After generating so and so, I will start with your from description. So and so identifying emerging trend. Please try the GPT in the preview panel. In the right hand, I can continue incorporating changes for the next refinement. What planning methodologies would it follow when forecasting? For example, with emphasizing best practices, AI-driven own planning. So it is saying to preview for that matter. Okay. So this is okay. It is actually asking questions to me, right? So I will follow. Do not go by any product specific. Always follow the principles, the best practices, leading practices of the industry. And based on that, you create it and so that it can applicable for SAP SuccessFactors, Workday or Oracle as per the demand or as per the need of the customer, depending upon what they are using. It should be AI-driven predictive analytics, skill-based workforce planning, as well as it should be given option that I can also add my own planning framework. Right. So I have given my details. You can see that reading practices. Yes. Yeah. This is what exactly I told to the thing. Meanwhile, I'm also checking with Claude as well what it has done. Hiring demand inside as well. It has brought in everything. It will create, okay, it is given a different approach. You can say that. I will create a 4-part delivery: architecture design document, technical specification, then implementation guide. I'm really happy about it. Claude agent prototype, React artifact, interactive agent simulator plus sample scenarios. Let me build this now. Okay, so it is building. Let it build. Because the approach is different here. So it is focusing on documentation first, which I really like it in Claude. But in ChatGPT's, we will see that what exactly they're saying. That's an excellent direction for GPT. I will incorporate those principles in its behavior. The hiring demand inside agent will now remain vendor neutral. AI-driven predictive analytics, apply skill-based workforce planning, support scenario planning, hiring phrase, conservative, expected be framework, extensible, clearly distinguished. Please try it in the preview panel as we continue refining it. I can continue running it until B has my question. Who is the primary audience of this GPT? Okay, so the GPT, the preview panel. Okay, so the preview panel I'm already looking at. Okay, so preview panel, start by defining your GPT. So what I will tell, we are hiring for a retail sector in US and Canada, and it is very much unpredictable because of the high attrition rate, especially in the seasonal factor also there. So how can I predict any of the hiring signal in my current organizations? We are having SAP SuccessFactors Smart Recruiters. Okay. Okay. So this is the preview. Anyway, it is not being having it like this. Rather, okay, it has to be dictated. So I already done that. Anyway, it's okay. So anyways, that is something we will do at point of time. This is not the way. Actually, I was thinking it will be submitting, but it is not submitting in the preview way. But let's see. This is not the preview. Okay, it's okay. So now what I will do, this is not in this way it is working. Rather, I will be putting at a point of time. Who is primarily the primary audience for this is the workforce planning leaders, the talent acquisition leaders as usual, and your finance planner, recruiters, hiring managers, HRBPs and CHROs. All of these possibilities are there. So it is creating all of these things. So yes, whenever it is taking a decision, it will prioritize regulatory compliance, fairness in workforce planning, data privacy, cost optimization, speed to hire, etc. Also the explainability. Okay, so these are the things I have given. It should behave like a strategic workforce planning consultant, ask probing questions like which industry, which sector, what is the attrition rate, what is your pain point, just like a big four or MBB consultant. Okay. And before making any recommendations, provide executive ready reports by default and present concise answers with fast, with detailed analysis available on request. Okay. So this is a very simple thing. Yes. So the report will be having all of these things. What analytical frameworks would you be in default? For example, approaches such as PES2 scenario planning. Yes, go for build versus buy talent strategy. Then make, buy, borrow, bot, McKinsey 7S, CZ, workforce segmentation, skill gap analysis, SW planning. All of this possible, whatever the best. So in this way, it will take care of all this framework. And meanwhile, I'm also looking at Claude, what actually it has done. Right. So we can see that it has done a good job also, like what are the roles and all these things, scenarios compared. We did a lot of other things, right? So these are the things I can see. But